Welcome back, subscribers. So, why did the markets crash? Well, we were doing so good. We got up to 59,200. Pretty close to breaking above the 60,000 for Bitcoin. Everything was looking really, really well. And then we had to have a dude, Chairman Powell, get on the telly and start talking about stop buying back treasury notes and potentially raising interest rates, and boom, stock market, everything goes to shit. And we have a huge retracement. But the good news is we're bouncing off right around 56-ish, which is good. So we're still in this range between 53 and 60. Hopefully we're going to break into a new range between 60 and 56. So it wouldn't be too bad if we fall in here for, I don't know, however long Bitcoin decides to break out. Again, the more times we touch support, the more opportunity that we lose out on because buyers get exhausted pushing price up. So eventually it will get to a point where if we go touch, the more times it's more likely like it's going to break down. So what we want to see is we want to see the touch of the 59 to 60,000, which we have right here. Boom, 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 boom. So what is that saying? That's saying that sellers are becoming exhausted. And what are the likelihood? The likelihood is that we're going to break above. And then we break above, and now we're into this new range of 60,000 to 66,000. That's where I want to see us happen. So whenever we start going flat like this, it's accumulation. Yeah, I'm on the 4 hours, so I'd have to look back farther here. This is all accumulation. This is all buying. This is where you should be buying, is when you're in a range like this. Yeah, it's a big range, but that's where smart money buys. Is you never buy the tops of anything, because if I was to zoom out, zooming out, you never want to buy the top up here. You want to buy, again, accumulation. So that's what happened. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum was getting close to its all-time high of 49,000, and what ended up happening? We ended up getting rejected because of the news, and boom, then we pushed lower, and we're actually still doing pretty good. Indicators look, we could still have a continuation here. RSI is over, being overbought, but that's okay. We can continue to stay up there and continue to have a wave of continuation of pumping upwards. That's okay. The daily, I'm not seeing too much. We could bounce off the 50 with the RSI. That would be something that I would like to see. And I really think that this is a little bit of FUD. People are just uncertain about what's going to happen, and will eventually break out and continue to go upwards. Because if we look, just moving my chart here, if we look at the overall trend of Bitcoin, it's gone up no matter how. See, this is 2012 to end of 2021. This is December 2021, almost into 2022. We're continuing to be above my trend line here, which is all good. The asset is going to continue to go up. The only time to hold an asset is for F and ever. That's how you become wealthy, is you buy when everyone is scared, and you hold on, and you continue to dollar cost average, and you continue to just go up. Warren Buffett had $1 million by age 30, equivalent to about 9 million in today's money because of inflation. Do you have 9 million? I mean, it's not too far off to think like that's not a extravagant number of what some people have at age 30. Yeah, most people don't have it at age 30, but it's not out of the realm of like, oh, I can't have that. And then he didn't get his first billion until he was 50. You know how he did it? was he bought good, solid, fundamentally strong companies, and he just held forever, kept buying more. Eventually turned that 9 million into $1 billion, and now he's got like 22 billion. And that's just the compounding effect, compounding. So anyway, this is Johnny Crypto. I'm here to help you make some money.